back to my channel. So today I am doing a Medusa look. I can't talk. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Medusa look complete with fangs that you just saw me take off. If you guys like this look, make sure you stick around to see the whole process and make sure you hit like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. So the first color I'm going to go into is this Tokidoki shade. This is called Soya and it is a neon green. It's very bright, and I'm just going to take a crease brush and we're going to lay this down as our transition color. This is like the best neon green shadow ever, and they don't make it anymore, and it sucks. So for the crease, I'm going in with Donna from ColourPop. It's kind of this, it's not matte, but it's not holographic either. It's not like a duochrome. I don't know. It's like a satin, I guess is the word I'm looking for. And I'm just taking this on the other side of this brush and putting this in the crease. So once I lay that down, I'm just going to blend it out with the other end of the brush so we have no harsh edges. So now for the lid, I'm going to take another ColourPop color. This is called Midnight, and this is a much more reflective type olivey green, but it has like a yellow gold reflect to it. So we're going to put this on the lid, and I'm just using a tiny little packing brush to do this. So the next thing I'm going to do is use the shade Cookie Cutter from my NYX Advent Calendar and just highlight under the brow just to get this out of the way before we start in on the glitter. So now I'm going to use the Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm going to put some on my eyelid. And I'm going to take this gold glitter from Sin Cosmetics, and this is called Loaded, and this glitter is a really like yellow golden rod yellow. And I'm not going to use a lot. I don't want it to be like overly glittery, so I'm just using what's on the lid. So I did my lashes and my liner. These are the Ardell 207 Faux Minx in black, and I love these lashes. They're so big and fluttery. They're that like Instagram big kind of really dramatic lash, but it doesn't weigh you down at all. I love it. So now I'm going to do my base, and I'm going to do most of it off camera, like the foundation and concealer, because I don't want it to be too repetitive. I've done it before in a lot of other videos, but I did want to show the primer I'm using. I'm actually using a liquid highlighter. This one is called Mermaid Scales from the Makeup Revolution line, and this is, it's like a green color. Hopefully you can see. And it's just one of these like droppers. So I'm going to put this on so that my skin has like a kind of like wet, almost not slimy, but I guess sort of like snake texture. So I'm just going to put a few drops of this and then take a wet sponge and blend it out. So now I'm going back into Soya, and I'm going to take it on a stippling brush, and we're going to actually use this as contour to kind of give us more of a snaky look. For a finishing touch underneath the eyes, I'm going to use this pigment called Squash, and it is like the ultimate Tinkerbell green kind of glitter, and it has some gold in it. It's just beautiful. So we're going to put this underneath the lower lash line, and I'm just going to take a liner brush and gently press it underneath just so it doesn't go all over the place, but it's just going to widen the eye out a little bit. And for highlight, I'm going to take this bronze pigment. This is also from the same company that made the other pigment I just used. But I love this bronze, and we're going to use it as a highlight I mean, it's just so gorgeous. So I'm just going to take it just a little bit on the edge of this brush, and we're going to tap it on. So now to kind of finish off this look before I do the lips, I'm going to take some fake nails and some denture cream, and we're going to put some fangs on. So while these dry, I'm going to put on my lipstick. My lip color that I put on is Triggered by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and it is one that you blot together, and it has a little bit of glitter to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I couldn't talk with the fangs, so I popped them out. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe on your way out. Thanks.